Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unfollow update channel on Discord. Before we get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Are you receiving updates from a Discord channel that you no longer want to follow? Maybe you accidentally followed an announcement channel, or you simply don't need those updates in your server anymore. If that's the case, you've come to the right place. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to unfollow an update channel on Discord step by step. The process is quick and easy, and you can do it in just a few clicks without affecting the rest of your server settings. So it's very simple. First of course, we have to open our Discord. You can open your server. Here's on my server, VZ Pro server. Now I want to unfollow the channel, update channel on my uh, server. It's very simple. So you can just go to your server settings. You can click on your server name. There is an option server settings. From your server settings, you can just scroll down. You can go to integration. Integration. It's on app section. You can select on that. You'll find there is an option channels followed. You can just select on that. As you can see here, I have followed Fish Ed channel to my server. Now to unfollow, you can select on it. There is an option unfollow. You can just select on that. Or maybe if you only want to move where you want to get the update on your channel and server, you can post to change the post to channel, because we want if you want to unfollow, you don't want to get any updates from this channel again, you can just select on unfollow. Are you sure you want to unfollow this channel? You can refollow it in the future by visiting the server it forms. Now you can just select on unfollow. It's very simple, right? So that is unfollow how to unfollow update channel on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.